Hi traders, in this video we are looking at linear regression candles for MT4 and MT5. This specialized candlestick representation applies linear regression algorithms to define periods, generating candles based on predicted or smoothed price values rather than raw open, high, low, and close data, effectively filtering market noise and creating a more structured view of price action. In this video, you will see how linear regression candles work, what features they offer, and which trading strategies are described. As you can see on the charts, linear regression candles transition from traditional candlesticks to regression-based candles, allowing traders to analyze market data through a different lens, with each candle representing a statistically smoothed view of price movements. The candles are often color-coded to reflect bullish or bearish regression trends, simplifying trend recognition, with green candles indicating upward regression trends and red candles showing downward trends based on the best fit line through price data. When price is consistently above the linear regression line, the candles remain green, suggesting strong bullish trend, while price below the line produces red candles indicating bearish trend, with the interaction between candles and regression providing a powerful tool for predicting market movements. As for the settings, let's take a look at the inputs. We have the linear regression period, signal MA line, signal MA type, option to show candles, automatic width. You can also set alerts, as we can see. We can also customize our preferred colors and trade on our preferred time frame. As for what this indicator is for, linear regression candles are suitable for trend following traders seeking clearer identification of dominant market direction without price noise, breakout traders using candle shifts after consolidation periods to signal breakout opportunities, and multi-time frame analysts using regression candles on higher time frames for overall direction while employing traditional candles on lower time frames for precise entries. However, the lagging nature, since regression requires data points, may reduce responsiveness to sudden market shifts. Oversmoothing may obscure important price patterns like sharp reversals or breakout signals. Effectiveness depends heavily on chosen parameters, with poorly selected lookback periods producing misleading interpretations, not predictive alone requiring confirmation from other tools, and performs best in trending markets while producing less reliable signals in sideways or choppy conditions. You can download linear regression candles for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how applying statistical modeling to candlestick representation filters noise and emphasizes underlying trends for more structured market analysis. If you like statistically based candlestick tools that reduce market noise, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.